Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Working on the Baja today. Okay, I'm working on the hood right now, and on the hood, it's fiberglass. It's got these bolts on the sides to hold it on the hinges. These two are okay. The ones on this side came loose, so you see if I unscrew this, it's just sitting in there, both of them. So what I did was put nuts on them, tighten them up, and I'm going to get some body plastic, and I'm going to fill this void in here up against them as best I can. I'm going to keep pushing this, the fiberglass in there, so that in hopes that it's going to hold these bolts, which I would assume previously that's how they were being held on as well, since it is a fiberglass hood. There might be like a metal bracket up against here in the fiberglass so that it doesn't crack the fiberglass, but the bolts were so loose I had to drill the holes and tighten them up against it, and I'm hoping, like I said, it's going to work out. So I'm going to make some body plastic and see how it goes. Okay, it's starting to harden up now. Let it get hard, and hopefully these bolts will be stuck right there where they're supposed to be. Okay guys, I gotta drill out the springs on the hinges because the fiberglass hood's not strong enough for those springs. I don't want to crack it. So we're gonna drill them out and get rid of the springs, and it got the hood latches to hold it down, and I'll have to use some kind of like rod, I guess, to hold it up. Still smells in here from the paint, so I gotta leave this on. Drill bit broke. Black & Decker junk. I'm wondering if I leave it without the spring, if it would at least stop it from going too far. Might be a good idea. Can try it. And we'll slide. And it goes up. They're going to try it without the spring. What I'll do is I'll prime it and spray paint it black, and then I'll install them. See if we can get the other one off. I think what I'm going to do is put a nut and bolt through here without a spring, so when it goes up and down it'll hold it. I was going to try to put the rivet back, but it's too loose, so if I can find a nut and bolt to fit through here, that's what should happen. Right back. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I always say don't start over. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put on your alerts if you want to see the Baja get done, and I'll see you next time. Again, thanks for watching.